Parvati Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Siddhartha Swami has said that mukti is also another cheating. Why mukti? Krishna does not demand that unless you are mukta, liberated, you cannot serve. No, you can serve in any condition. Avaitariya pratihata. Not that because first of all we have to become liberated. Because as soon as you begin bhakti, you are already liberated. The platform is so great that a bhakta without any other ultra motive is already liberated. Brahma bhuvaya sakalpati manchabhya vicharini bhakti yogena jasevate sagunan samatitayetan brahma bhuvaya kalpate. Immediately. Sarvadharman parityajya mamekam saranam vaja aham tva sarva papibhya mokkhasya. If Krishna takes charge of vanquishing all your reaction of sinful life, then that means immediately you are mukta, you are liberated. Liberation means we are entangled in this material world because we are creating one after another entanglement. Nunang pramatta kurute vikarma, because we are in such a position that we have to act obviously, not properly. Even if you do not deserve, even if you are very careful not to kill even an ant, still imperceptibly, you, while walking, you kill so many ants. And don't think that you are not sinful for that purpose. You become sinful, especially those who are non-devotees. They must be responsible for killing so many small creatures while walking, or while there is water pot. You have seen so many small animals are there. Even by moving the water pot, you kill so many living entities. While igniting fire in the oven, there are so many living entities. You kill them. So consciously, unconsciously, we are in such a position in this material world that we have to commit sinful activities, even if we are very, very careful. You have seen the Jains, they are after non-violence. You'll find they keep a cloth like this so that the small insects may not enter the mouth. But these are artificial, you cannot check. In the air there are so many living entities. In the water there are so many living entities. You drink water, you cannot check it. It is not possible. But if you keep yourself fixed up in devotional service, then you are not bound. Jaggate karmannatru dukayam karma bandhana. If your life is dedicated for jagga, for serving Krishna, then the inevitable sinful activities which we commit without any knowledge, we are not responsible. Mannimitte kitang papam punnayava kalkata. So our life should be dedicated simply for Krishna consciousness, then we are safe. Otherwise, we must be entangled with so many reaction of our activities and bound up in the repetition of birth and death. Mang aprapya nivartanti mittu samsara vatma. Nunang pramatta kuruse vikarma jadindriya pritaye aprinoti na sadhu manne jato atmanoyam asannapi klesa deyasadeya. The safest position is, let us always be engaged in Krishna consciousness, then we make spiritually advance and save from the reaction of sinful life.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.